Hi, I'm Adam with Evolve Weapon Systems. Wanted to take a quick minute today to kind of go over the company, what we stand for, where we came from, our ideas, where we're at currently, and our plans moving forward. Evolve Weapon Systems was named after kind of my path through the industry that I've been on since getting in it, from starting with retail, moving into more customization and repair type work, to doing larger production type runs for manufacturers, to working with various manufacturers and for them, as well as my transition from that into manufacturing for myself. So there's definitely a name likeness that several other companies use, right? There's a lot of companies that use the word evolve in marketing or for different product lines, not just specific to this industry. There's a bottled water that's called Evolve now. Um, Came up with the name and kind of put it into use in 2016. I think it's just more of a coincidence, and that none of us, nobody's trying to take the likeness of anybody, or anybody started using that name after us, or, a lot of bigger companies use it and obviously have built some familiarity with it as they are larger companies with more marketing and people behind them and stuff like that. It's just kind of one of those things that happens, but I just kind of wanted to clear that up because I know it's been a question that's been brought up a few times, but I actually, as far as this industry is concerned, um, started using that name long before I ever saw or most people ever even did use it. So, um, anyway, so at Evolve Weapon Systems, our goals and our model is a little different than what you see from others. Every manufacturer obviously has their unique processes and things that they do to get their products to retail. A lot go with the huge like dealer and distributor markets and stuff like that to get maximum exposure, obviously, which there's nothing wrong with. We choose, after a lot of trial and error, we like to build more of a relationship and more of a partnership with our dealers. So though we've got several extremely large dealers, um, we try to stay out of the less personal type uh, distributors, dealers, and things like that. And we prefer to work with the dealers that want to have a good relationship with their manufacturers. It's just kind of healthier overall for everyone. You'll notice that we don't offer for sale or sell anything on our own direct to consumer. We do that. It's probably hurt us more than it's helped us, honestly. We would probably have sold a lot more product a lot faster than we have like to date. But we don't want to put our dealers into a position where we're competing against them. Um, it's just kind of the path that I like to take, and I would rather, if you're a potential customer out there looking for something, feel free absolutely to reach out to us, reach out to me personally. We'll help point you in a direction of somebody locally or online that has what you're looking for. And make sure that you get it, and we're happy to take care of you. We're just not going to sell it directly to you. Where we're at currently is we're happy to manufacture a lot of the stuff that we use and sell here in house. Our goal moving forward, as we add more machines and robotics and people and all that kind of stuff, more just capability overall, is we're pushing toward having 100% of everything in house. That obviously takes time with a growing company to where we stay online and able to meet demand for dealers and distributors and customers. But we have a big focus on growth, especially right now as we're like just in a huge growth pattern, to integrate robotics and add new machines and bring new products and parts out. We don't ever want to take form over function, if you will. We don't want, obviously, we want everything to look great and it's aesthetically pleasing and they have cool colors and patterns and things like that. But whether it's a gun or a part, the function of it and it being reliable and working is the most important thing. So we'll never want to put out anything that for the sake of it looking cool. We want it to work. So we stand behind everything that we do, whether it's an individual component or a complete firearm. Full lifetime warranty. Doesn't matter what happened, what caused it. We replaced a couple of guns because of squib rounds in the last couple of years, with ammo manufacturing kind of being the way it has been. We just really want to focus on having a great relationship with our dealers, with our customers and end users, and contributing to the industry that we're in, that we all love so much, without taking away from it. You know, there's a lot of great companies out there doing really great, incredible things. We have great relationships with a lot of those guys and those companies, and we've known a lot of them for a long time, and we work closely with a lot of them. This industry seems huge, but it's actually a lot smaller than most people think, and we feel very fortunate to have so many people that we consider friends that are also have turned into mentors for us. And it's awesome of them. It's awesome of you as the end users, of all our dealers, to allow us and support us in being able to do what we love. And we just really appreciate it. We don't take that for granted. Moving forward, we plan on doing a lot more videos, more focused on specific parts, functions, features, manufacturing processes, assembly processes, quality control stuff. Just kind of give you a real good inside look at us, who we are, what we're doing. So, you know, to be as transparent as possible, so you guys can all kind of see what we do and how hard we work to try to make sure that everything we do is something that we can be proud of and that we can be proud to see you guys using. Obviously, if there's anything you need, reach out to us at any time. You can find us online. A lot of you guys already got my phone number. Ask somebody for it if you need it. Email us, Facebook, Instagram, whatever it is. I'm as responsive as possible. As you can see, I'm usually inside our machine shop with a ton of machines running and robots flying around and stuff like that. So if I don't immediately get back to you, I promise I will. A lot of times I just can't even hear a notification, right? So really appreciate you taking the time to look at this. I hope I answered some questions and gave you some insight about not just myself, but us here at Evolve, what we're looking to do moving forward, what we do currently, and how much we just really appreciate all of you. So until next time, I hope to see you soon.